Hi, wanna know how to set custom notification sound on your Samsung Galaxy A14? So, as a first step, you would need to download the custom sound that you would like to set as your notification sound. Then we would need to open this application, which is named My Files, and here go to this tab named Downloads. Here you should be able to find the sound that you have downloaded, and now we would need to hold our finger on this sound, and here at the bottom panel click Move. As a next step, here we should be at the page which is named Internal Storage, and here we would need to scroll down until we will find this tab which is named Notifications and click on it. Here click on this button Move here, and after this we would need to open Settings. As a next step, here go to this tab Sound and Vibration, and here go to the tab Notification Sound. And in few seconds here we should be able to find our custom sound. In my case it's named Doctor Sound, and by clicking on it we would be able to hear it. But firstly we need to unmute our phone, and now let's try it once more. Yes, this is the custom sound that I was looking for, and now we are able to see it in this tab Notification Sound. Just click back to save it, and this is it. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.